Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use your Atome Card to buy things on Shopee in 2025 with this full guide. So step 1, open the Atome app and check if your Atome Card is active. If not, or if you don't have a Atome Card, apply for one and wait for the approval. If you have one, we will proceed to step 2. Step 2, copy the Atome Card number, expiration date, and CVV because this will serve as your virtual card for online purchases. Step 3, open the Shopee app and add items to your cart. So for example, I will add to cart this one. And step 4, you will go and check this out. After that, under the payment options or payment method, you will change that and go to credit card. And you will now add your Atome card here. You will now paste the card number, expiration date, CVV, and your name. And now you will be redirected to Atome to confirm the transaction. You can choose your preferred installment plan, such as 3, 6, or 12 months, and wait for approval. And once done, you can now purchase on Shopee using your Atomic card. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.